Swede puree, simple, quick and delicious. So, swede puree works very well with braised dishes, like braised lamb, a braised brisket. Dice into cubes. Tiny bit of water, just to start it. In with our swede. A knob of unsalted butter. Salt. White pepper. And then cling film. All we have to do now is pop in the microwave, cook for approx 10 minutes, and the truth is, this is a 3-star secret. And there we have our swede. As you can see, and you have to wait for that, because what that does is intensifies the flavour. So if there we are, what a great noise. And there we have our swede. And while it's hot, take it all in. Tiny bit of butter. Turn it off and just work it down. There we are. So there we have our swede puree. Intense with texture. If you follow exactly what I've done, you'll have the best swede puree in the world. And there's our swede puree. Smooth, intense in flavour, and not watery. Delicious. Celeriacs, without question, one of the most delicious vegetables. Underused in my opinion, but delicious. So what can you do with them? Today we're going to make a fondant. Very simple. It's just one of those delicious side dishes which works so well. Nice large chunks. And then just bevel the edges. It'll never be perfect unless you use a cutter, but cutters become very wasteful. A little lemon to stop it oxidizing. Let's take our butter. When you cook a fondant, you have to use lots of butter because that's what makes it taste deliciously good. And let's be brutally honest, a life without butter is not a life. There we are. A little water. A little salt. Butter paper. And on the stove. As you can see, it's now come to the boil. And then we continue to boil aggressively so it evaporates off. But we put the paper on to slow that process down, because what we want is we want the water to have evaporated and the caramelization. So as you can see, it's reducing down. You can tell there's very little water left in the pan because of the sound. And as it evaporates away, it gets louder and louder. And once the water's evaporated, then we can start to caramelize the celeriacs. As you can see, it's just starting to brown now. There we are. And when you get to this stage, you can't walk away. And if you do walk away, listen to what's happening. You see we can start to turn them now. Glaze back over. There's a tiny bit of resistance, and that's perfect. So now I'll wrap them in the blanket of cling film and allow them to finish off and to drink the butter. My celeriac fondant, they've been soaking and continuing to cook for the last 30 minutes. The reason why we leave it for 30 minutes is so the celeriac starts to absorb it. It swallows the butter. It drowns in the butter. There we are. As you can see now, perfectly cooked, soft and tender and delicious. But the question is, where do we take them next? Where you can take that is to heaven. And there we have it. Celeriac fondants, cooked perfection. Serve them with most meat dishes. They just work so well.